Today we are going to start the first chapter of the class 11th. Okay, so some basic concepts of chemistry. So in this you should know this class 11th is more or less revision of what we say explanation of class 9th. Whatever we have done in that class 9, that we are going to repeat at some extent in this. Some basic concept of chemistry. Okay, so in that you have to go through with this NCERT first 2-3 pages. There is the matter classification of matter, solid, liquid, gas, definition and all that. So these are the things that you have to just go through simply. Okay, atoms, molecules, compounds, what are they, and then some things are there, the unit, derived unit and fundamental unit, that you will study in physics in detail. Okay, so I'm not going to repeat that. Here we are going to start with the scientific notation. Scientific notation, what does it mean? Scientific notation says that that number in our universe is just 0 to 1, like 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, but we have lots of number, like it's a number like 10,000 crore, 10 crore, or 10 lakhs, or 5 lakhs, or 2 lakhs, or 2,000, or 3,000. These are not the number given. हमारे पास ऐसा कुछ number नहीं होता, but still we have explanation of this. So scientific notation says that convert all these number, whatever the number we have right now or we are using nowadays, convert it in form of scientific notation. Convert in form of 1 to 9 only. Got it? How it will be. So scientific notation is the representation of element, representation of number. Representation of number in 1 to 10 form. 1 to 9 form. Got it? What it is? Suppose that it says that I'm giving you example, like just take it 5,000. Okay, so 5,000 is a number. How you will identify, how you will convert this number in 1 to 9 form? So what you will write? You will write the number, okay, and whatever the zeros are there, put the decimal after there, assume that, and whatever the zeros are there, accordingly you put the exponent of 10. Okay, in exponent form. So how many 0? 1, 2, 3. So we'll put 3 0 over there. So this is 1 to 9 form, isn't it? Like another example, 602,156. This number you have to convert in form of 1 to 9. So what you will write? 6, yes, point, then 1 to 9 form, so 6 point, and rest number 0 to 156. But are these two same? No. So whatever the number, like decimal where you put, whatever the number digit are there, accordingly you will put the exponent. So how it is? What it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, isn't it? So you'll put it here, 5. Got it? As for example, another example, if I'm taking 0.0092101, suppose that. This is again not in form of 1 to 9. So what you have to do? You have to shift this decimal here, isn't it? So put the decimal over here, and then what it is? 201. Yes. So now the power, what it will be? 1, 2, 3. So see, if you are moving the decimal in the right direction, got it? In the right direction, it will be in the minus sign. Okay, it will be with the minus sign. But if you are putting, suppose that in this case, where is the decimal? You can assume the decimal over here. So we are shifting the decimal left. So if you are shifting the decimal in left, it will be in positive. And if you are shifting the decimal in right, so it will be in minus 1. So how many digits you are moving? 1, 2, 3. So it will be, got it? Another example, if I'm taking 0, let's start with the 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 5, 0, 6, 9, suppose that, like this. So you have to put this in form of 1 to 9. What you will do? So this is the number, first number is here. So put the 3 and then after decimal and all this number. So 005069. And since again the decimal we are shifting the decimal in the right direction. So how many digits we are shifting? 1, 2, 3. So we'll put the -3 over there, isn't it? So this is called scientific notation. Okay. So there's few examples in your NCERT that you have to do with this. Okay. So now in next thing after the scientific notation, we will we'll do the SI units and all that. These are the two topics. So SI unit you have to learn something like length unit and mass unit and something like that, speed units, all these. So you should know what is the SI unit and the interconversion that you have done in class 6 or 7 in maths, millicentimeter, how you convert all these things. Yes, so that you have to in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meter, in 1 meter 100 centimeter, like this. So you have to learn this. Okay, so after the scientific notation we will go through this. So in this example you can see whatever the unit you have, whatever the constant you have seen, just take any constant. The first constant and common constant which you are using, that is I think pi, isn't it? So pi value you can also see it is in 3.14. 3, its number in form like this. It never is like 1000 crore ki form mein, it will not be there. It will be in form of 1 to 9 only. Like in class 9th you have done Avogadro number. So Avogadro number is also you have seen. Avogadro's number, Gadro's number. Like it is not 602234405 something like that. It's a very big number. But what you know 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, isn't it? So it is again in form of 1 to 9. Clear? Okay, so after this significant figure we will do significant figure. What is a significant figure? Actually, as the name suggests, significant, that means which is having importance. In general common language we say कि zero की कोई value नहीं होती. Actually zero की कोई value नहीं होती, यही यहाँ पे prove करना. और कौन से zero की value होती है and कौन से zero की value नहीं होती है, that we are going to check in this. Okay. So significant figure, for this there are 4-5 lines you have to learn. You have to know this. Okay. So it is, the first point is that all non-zero digit are considered as significant figure. Got it? Like if I'm giving you 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 something. So what is the significant figure in this number, in this big value? So all the non-zero digit. So this is also non-zero, 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 non-zero. So total digit is 5. So the significant figure you will say 5. Got it? As for example, another number like 44.123. So this is also the non-zero digit all. So what is that significant figure? Here also 5, isn't it? Another example, take it 4124. That's it. Okay. So all are non-zero digit. So the significant figure is total 4. Hope it is clear. Yes. Second point. The zero between two non-zero digit. Two non-zero digit are also considered as, is or are whatever, okay, considered as significant figure. As for example, it should be 0 between two non-zero digits. Got it? Like 1, 0, 2, 3. Suppose that it is. So what is the significant figure here? And this one, this will also be considered as what? Significant figure. So total number is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4, isn't it? Another number, suppose that I'm taking 55.023. Again, this 0 is in between non-zero digit, isn't it? So the significant figure is here also. Here 5, isn't it? Next is if I'm taking 5001505. What is the significant figure? These all 0 because these are in between the non-zero digit number. So they will be considered as significant figure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got it? So this is the way to find this. Okay, another example also you can take. Suppose that 6.001. What is the significant figure here? Think of it. Okay, can you? Yes, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 because this will also be considered as significant figure. So total 4. Okay. Next C point is the 0 written to the left. 0 written to the left of the first non-zero digit. In a number are not considered as significant figure. Got it? So actually it simply shows the position of the decimal. That's it. If it is left of the first non-zero digit, left, that means before. Okay, as for example, I am writing just take it like 0.002. What is the significant figure here? These 0 are before left of this non-zero digit number. Got it? Are you getting it? Non-zero digit ke pehle whatever number are there, that will not be considered as significant figure. So how many significant figure here? 1. Got it? Another example, if I'm taking 0.523, what is the significant figure here? This won't be considered as significant figure. Any 0 which is before a non-zero digit will not be considered as significant figure. So here 3. If I'm giving one example, 0.001034, what is the significant figure here? In this case, these two zeros or 3 zeros are before or left to the non-zero digit. Got it? So this won't be considered as significant figure. But this 0 is between two non-zero digit, isn't it? So that will be considered as significant figure. So how many significant figure? 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you getting it? 0 before the non-zero digit won't be considered as, but 0 between two non-zero digit will be considered as significant. So in this, these 2, 3 will not be considered as significant figure, but this one will be. Got it? Another one example, 0.014. How many significant figure? That is 2. Okay, this won't be considered as. Clear? Okay, now the D point is all zeros placed to the right of a decimal point in a number are considered as significant figure. Got it? Clear? As for example, what it is saying? All 0 placed to the right of a decimal point. Right of a decimal point. Got it? All zeros placed to the right of the decimal point in a number are considered as significant figure. Got it? That means any 0, if it is placed after decimal, it will be considered as significant figure. Got it? So what is the significant figure over here? 1, 2 and 3. This 0 will be included in the main significant figure. Similarly, in this case, if we do 11.00, significant figure is 4, isn't it? Now in this case, if we talk about, so see, these two 0 is before the non-zero digit number, isn't it? Abhi upar wala humne kiya tha. So these two will not be considered as the significant figure, but these two 0, ye baad kar 2 0, that is after or right of the decimal point. Okay, so this will be considered a significant figure. So 1, 2, 3 is a significant figure over here. This one example, if we talk about 0.0102030. So this 0 will not be included in the significant figure because it is before the non-zero digit number. Got it? But these 2 or 3 will be considered as a significant figure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the significant figure. Another number is there, another rule is there. If any countable number is given, any countable number like 5 books, 5 students, 5 eggs. Okay, so if there is a countable number, then the significant figure will be infinite. Because this 20, if suppose a 20 books, it can be written as 20.0, it can be written as 20.00000, something like that. It means 20 only. So in this case, the significant figure will be 3. In this case, the significant figure will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's why what we do, it's a infinite. If it is a countable number, then the scientific figure will be just infinite. Got it? Now, calculation involving significant figure. How to do that calculation? Significant figure ki calculation kaise karte? There are some rules, 2 rules. One for addition and subtraction, and another is for multiplication and division. So addition and subtraction says that there is a rule in addition or subtraction of the number having different precision, that means whatever the different values, the final result should be the same number of decimal places as in the term having the least number of decimal places. It means, it says that least number के में जो decimal place के बाद जितने भी numbers हैं, the same number will be there in the result. Got it? Are you getting it? What I am saying? Least number में decimal के बाद जितने भी number होंगे, उतने ही number होने चाहिए उसके addition product में. Got it? So if I am doing this significant figure in the result, 3.52 plus 2.6 plus 6.53. So you just check how many significant figure? 3 over here. Sorry, decimal के बाद what is the number? 2. Here decimal के बाद 1. Here decimal के बाद 2. So in the result, the decimal के बाद what should be the number after the decimal? The least one, that is 1. Got it? If you do this addition product, we will get this value. But according to this rule, if you check here, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the significant figure, isn't it? But according to rule, it says that whatever the number are there after the decimal in the least number, that the same number will be there only. So in this case, this 5 will be not included in the significant figure. So this is total, this 12.6 is the significant figure, that's why it is 3. Got it? Another question, let's do significant figure in the result of this minus this. So check in this case how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, isn't it? The decimal के बाद numbers are 4, but here decimal के बाद number are 2. So in the result, decimal के बाद number कितने होना चाहिए? Only 2. Got it? So if you are using that subtraction you are doing, so you are getting this number. So as this rule says, decimal के बाद only 2 numbers should be there. So that's why these 2, 3, 0 won't be considered in the significant figure. So total significant number is 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figure. Got it? Now the next rule is for multiplication and division. Multiplication and division work is very simple, very easy. It says that in the multiplication or division, the final result should be the same numbers, same number significant figure as present in the least precise number. It means, like in the example, let's do in the form of example, find significant figure in result of this multiplication. I have used calculator, but you are not supposed to, you have to do it by your own. Got it? So it says that the least number, you just check the least number. Which one is the least number? This one is the least number. What is the significant figure over here? 2. This is 4. 4 and 5, sorry. So this is bigger number. In the product it says that the significant figure will be only 2. So even this calculation is not required. This calculation is not required. You can see in this thing which one is the least significant figure, that will be the answer. Got it? Such a significant figure is 2. So that is the answer. In the same case, no need to do this calculation, division I have done. No need to do this calculation, just check the least number. What is the least number? Here it is 5 significant figure, but here it is 3 significant figure. So what should be the significant figure in the result? The least one, that is 3. Got it? Hope all these things will be clear when you will watch this video. Okay. And for practice, whatever I have explained today, on that basis, for practice I have given 4 questions that you are supposed to do it. Okay. And if there is any doubt, you can ask me. Without any hesitation, you can ask. Okay. So after that, we will do that calculation using scientific notation. Okay. So next heading is calculation using scientific notation. So I have told you that scientific notation, what is the scientific notation? The representation of any number between 1 to 9. That is called scientific notation. So let's do something like if we do the first, let's start with the multiplication division and then we'll do the addition and subtraction. So if question I'm giving you, what will be the answer if 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 4 is going to be multiplied by 4.0 into 10 to the power minus 3. So what you will do? It's very easy, very simple. Yes, multiply these number. So this will be 1.2 multiplied by 4, it will be 4.8, isn't it? And we know that if it is in the multiplication and the base are same, then the power will be added. Yes, so power will be now minus 4 and minus 3, it will be minus 7. Is there any problem? Second thing we will do, let's take an example. 4.2 into 10 to the power 6 multiplied by take a number 3.0 into 10 to the power minus 4. So what next? Just multiply these number, isn't it? So 42 multiplied by 3, it will be 3 2s are 6 and 4 3s are 12, isn't it? After how many digit we have to put the decimal? 1 digit only. So 12.6, isn't it? Multiplied by, if the base are same, then the power will be added. So power is this time plus 6 minus 4. What will be the total power? Yes, 2. Very good. Got it? Now, this was the multiplication. This was multiplication. If we have to do the division process, third example, the same number we can take. This time this is 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 4 divided by 4.0 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, so 1.2 divided by 4, what will be the answer? 0.3, isn't it? Into, if in that division what we do, if the base are same, then the power will be subtracted, isn't it? So this is minus 4 minus minus 3. We can write minus 4 minus minus 3, isn't it? This will be the power subtraction of the power. So what is the total answer? Like this is minus and this will be minus minus plus. So it will be simple minus 1. I have explained it how to do if we have to shift the decimal right side or left side. What we have to do? If we have to shift the decimal right side, what we will do? Tell me fast. Think of it. Yes, it will be, power will be added, isn't it? Got it? Like this. Okay. Now, another question. This one, let me take this example. 4.2 into 10 to the power 6 divided by, let me take the easiest number so that it will be easily like divisible. Okay. This is minus 4. Any problem in this? So divide it. It will be 2.1, isn't it? And then the power will be subtracted. 6 minus minus 4. What will be the answer? 2.1 into 10 to the power minus, yes, 10, not minus. Isn't it clear? Okay, so this was division. This was an example of divisions. Now, problem is in adding and subtraction. So, addition and subtraction of scientific notation. Sorry, spelling mistake. Scientific notation. Okay, so let's take an example. Suppose that first example, I'm taking 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 plus 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. So see, in addition and subtraction, here the base are same. Will not add or subtract the power. What we will do? We will take out the common in between the powers. Got it? Try to understand what I am saying. We will not simply add or subtract the power. What we will do? We will take the common. So just think of it. Can I write this one in this way? 6.5 into 10 to the power, because 10 to the minus 3 is there. So make it in 10 to the minus 3 and 10 to the power minus 1. Can we do it? Can we write 10 to the minus 4 in this way? Isn't it? Okay. Check. It is minus 4. So if the base are same and this is in the multiplication sign, the power will be added. Isn't it? 4 plus 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. So now what is the common between these two? 10 to the power minus 3 is common. So we'll take out the common. This left 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 1. Isn't it? Plus 2.5 into 10 to the nothing. 2.5 isn't 10 to the minus 3 we have taken out. So write it like this, isn't it? So can you write this 0.65? Isn't it? 0.65 this will be plus 2.5 and power. So what is the exact answer? Can you tell me? This is 5, 1 and 3.15 into 10 to the power minus 3. Got it? So addition and subtraction is little different. You have to be very careful about this. See next one. Suppose that an example 7.5 into 10 to the power 5 and plus 4.6 into 10 to the power 7. If you understood this, you can pause the video and try to do it by your own. Got it? So what it is? This is 5. So like you have to take it common. So in this, from this only you can take out the common because this is bigger number. So we can take out the smaller number as a common from the bigger one, isn't it? So what we'll do, we'll write this 7.5 into 10 to the power 5 like this only, and plus it will, can we write in this form 5 into 10 to the power 2? Tell me. Base are same, multiplication sign, so power will be added. It will be 5 plus 2, 7. Isn't it? So now what next you will do? 10 to the power 5 common. So what left in this? 7.5. Yes? Plus what left in this case? 4.6 into 10 to the power 2. And what we have taken out as a common? 5. Okay? So what next? This will be 7.5 and this will be 4.6 into 100. What it will be? Fast. 460. Isn't it? Yes? So now 10 to the power 5 here. So add this. It will be what? 0.5 and 467 into 10 to the power 5. Now we have to write in form of scientific notation. So decimal we have to, what we have to do? We have to shift the left. So, and this is positive sign, so we will add in this case. So this will be 4.67 into 10 to the power 7. Got it? So this is the answer. Any problem in this? Now do the same thing for the, this is these two for the addition we have done. Yes. Now do the same for the subtraction. So third example, let me take third example the same, only sign I will change. Minus 4 and here minus 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. So what it will do? What will happen? Yes, the same way. You will the same way you will do 6.5 into 10 to the power. You can write it here. 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 1 minus 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3, isn't it? Now what next? We'll take out the common, 10 to the power minus 3, and if I'm taking out common, what happens? 6.5 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 1. It will be 0.65, isn't it? Okay, and here what left in this? Minus 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Hope it is clear. Just pause the video and try to do by your own. This concept is that in addition and subtraction you have to take out the common. In multiplication and division, that's very simple. Multiplication you will add the power. Subtraction you will, division you will subtract the power. But in addition and subtraction, in both cases you have to take out the common. Isn't it? Okay. So what next? It is in minus value, negative value. There is no problem. So just do it. What it will be? 5. Yes, and tell me fast. This is 3, 5, isn't it? And here 1. Okay. Into 10 to the power minus 3. Already in form of scientific notation, so no need to do anything. Clear? If the same thing we will do for the next one, what it will be? This time what I'm doing, I'm just reversing this number. 4.6 into 10 to the power 6 and let it be 6, okay? And minus 7.5 into 10 to the power 5, okay? So whom you will split? Oh, obviously this number only, because it is greater. Yes, isn't it? Can we write in this way? Tell me. And here it is 7.5 into 10 to the power 5. So what next? 10 to the power 5, if I am taking out common, what is left with this? 46, isn't it? Yes, 46 minus 7.5 and in common 10 to the power 5. Is it okay? So do this subtraction. This will be, think of it fast, 45 point, no, it is 7.5, no? Sorry, 7.5. What it will be? 50, and this is 45 minus 7 will be 45 minus 38, isn't it? So this is 38.50 into 10 to the power 5. So this is not in form of scientific notation. So what we will do? We are shifting the decimal 1 digit here, this side. So this will be into 10 to the power 6. Got it? So this is all about the scientific notation. Hope it is clear. If there is any problem, you can ask doubt without any hesitation, as I said. Yes, and after this, some homework will be there. Already I have given. Do this thing, and later we will discuss in next class. So till then, thank you, class.